aviation lovers, today we're here at London Gatwick Airport, plane spotted. Let's get into the video. Got one coming in. Here we go folks, with the Ryanair 747 inbound from Dublin. You can see the wings actually shaking from the aircraft. Oh, you can hear the power of the engines spooling up again there because of the nose wind. Here we go, how will the Ryanair pilots land this then? Oh my word! Oh, tippy toes! Right. Inbound 380 from Dubai. I actually saw the crew of this aircraft getting on the bus from the hotel. Obviously they're going to take over from this crew. Here we go then, I wonder how the A380 will cope with this wind. Pretty well, hopefully. There we go, you can see the flapper on moving quite a bit there. Nice, that's a fair play. There we go, spoilers, reverse 15. Here we go with another Wizz Air A321 Neo. Okay, little. Oh! Yeah, the gusts are really catching him. Or her, it might be a woman. Okay, yeah, stabilised it now. Okay, a little bit of a left bank. Ah, folks, that's the last bit of landings for a while. They're going to take off now. All the others. Get it down. Nicely done. Under action there. And EasyJet next. Here we go, folks. EasyJet 390. Yeah, nicely done there with the EasyJet pilot. A little bit of a gust there. Oh. Nah, yeah, fair play. That was a very good landing by the EasyJet pilot there. Inbound with the Wizz Air. Go around! Go around, there we go. First windshield go around of the day, folks. Looks a bit smoother this one. Nicely done. Here we go, Saudi Dreamliner. Oh, I just hit the tripod, sorry about that. Saudi pilots do that. Oh, Saudi, sorry, I always get the airline mixed up. Oh yeah, the winds have calmed down a bit now. That is going to be a good landing, I reckon. Yeah, fair play. Nice a bit firm, but still overall a nice landing. EasyJet A321 Neo. Has he been clear to land this one? Yeah, he should have done. There's nothing on the runway. Oh, there we go. The 321s doesn't feel that effective, does it? There we go. And how will the EasyJet pilots do this landing? Little bit firm again that one. And for the conditions, good. There we go, clear to land from the air traffic control there for the Turkish 321. How will the Turkish Airlines pilots do on this landing then? Folks, let's have a look. Okay, that was a bit hard. Right then, I can see the next plane coming in. EasyJet 319 next up Qatar on its way in. There we go, there's the clear to land from Qatar. Okay, we've got a Northern landing about to depart too. Inbound with the Norwegian. Okay, how will the Norwegian do? It should be quite good. Yeah, nice and smooth and fine look approach there. Nicely done. Got an EasyJet Airbus A319 inbound. There's the landing clearance from the tower. The winds have calmed down again. Sun's come out now too. Focus.
Are we able to go back to ground? We've been told that we have a back to the shop.
EasyJet inbound from the Isle of Man. Norse Dreamliner. BA 777 there. I did miss the first bit of that, apologies folks. British Airways Euroflyer 320.